this is just an introduction before we blow your mind.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Sensational Locks, and I'm back with another one. So if you're looking on your screen, you probably already know what's about to go down, or you think you know what's about to go down. This may look like your typical ACV rinse, but what I'm about to do is so much more than that. This is a sensational lock detox. So yes, there's baking soda, there's apple cider vinegar, and I'm adding some fresh lemon to help cut the grease down extra fast. But what I'm not about to do is pour this concoction over her head, rinse it out, and call it a day. Because that's just not how it works. In order to really get the buildup and all the dirt, you have to soak and you have to work the hair around. There's just no way around it. So that's precisely what I'm going to do. Sit back and watch me work. It's been 15 minutes and you can't even see her locks in the water. The water is completely changed, and that's just with a 15-minute soak. So I've been working her hair around, squeezing it, and I'm gonna release this water, run some more water with the same ingredients, and then start working on her roots. I'm gonna be separating her roots. Alright, stay tuned. So if you guys don't know, I am very active in a lot of lock groups on Facebook. So make sure you guys find me there. We can talk, we can chat. But I found this client in one of the lock groups. She was talking about how she wanted to go ahead and do away with her locks because they were damaged. And, I reached out. Luckily, she was local. She came for a consultation. And I looked through her locks and, while there is a lot of damage, it's not beyond repair, but before we could do any sorts of repair at all to her hair, before I could do any kind of real maintenance, I needed to detox her hair. And here I am squeezing some more, and here you can really see what I'm talking about. You see that buildup coming to plain sight, just the buildup in plain sight. It is kind of gross, and it's avoidable. If anybody wants to know, wants a video on how to avoid buildup, I think that's something I can do separately. So let me know in the comments below any questions that you have about the process. Okay, so this is the second round, and the water's still pretty murky. So like I said, I'm gonna keep going until we get it clear. We started working on the roots and squeezing, and we are making progress. You said you've been growing your lock 8 years, right? This is 8 years. Look how long her locks are. This isn't 8 years of dirt, obviously. It's just 8 years of growth. Any new client that decides to come to me, just keep in mind that I'm going to detox your hair, and that's going to be a part of the process. And if you're not willing to, go along with the detox, then I can't really help you, because the shampoos that I use are going to bring forth any dirt or buildup to the surface, but they're not going to just pull them out. You'll need a detox, so keep that in mind. Now I'm just going to go through her hair and separate those roots. I did this as a courtesy so that we could be better prepared when she comes back for the repair. I'm just going through, I'm putting her new growth where it belongs. This isn't a retwist. This is just neatening out, telling the hair where it belongs, where it should go. When I see her again, we'll focus on repairing these locks. Some of them will need to be combined. Some of them she was already in the process of combining. Some of them wanted to combine on their own. So Alright, so the overall process took us about 2.5 hours. She spent about half of that time soaking and for me really working out that buildup. And the other time we spent separating her roots and just restoring moisture with Jamaican black castor oil and rose water. And she loved the results. I can't wait till she comes back and we can repair those locks. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and that you are subscribing to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads as soon as I put them out there. I thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.